Hey YouTube, so my next project is going to be to install this Quitecool attic fan up in my attic. I had an old existing propeller fan up there that stopped working, so I need to replace it. And I need to adjust the size of everything that I have up there because these new fans are much smaller. Anyway, we'll get started in just a bit. Okay, so now I'm up in my attic, and I just took some measurements across here because I'm going to have to put a couple of 2x4s, which is going to be part of my frame for my fan. You'll notice the old fan is much, much bigger than the one I'm putting in. This thing's like a propeller off a B-52 bomber. So the opening is much bigger. So I have to build a frame to hold it and mount it. So I just measured across there. I'm going to cut a couple of 2x4s and then start with that. Okay, so basically what I did was I ran a 2x4 across the top, a 2x4 across the bottom, and mounted it to the 2x4. I then they give you this shield to go around it to help direct the air. I'm actually going to cut a couple of pieces of plywood to kind of box the whole thing in, since the shield that they give you to direct the air is not really big enough, because I want to push as much air as I can straight outside. Okay, now what I've decided to do is I built the frame out of plywood around it. This way the air is getting sucked in and I'm going to get less backdraft coming in. You don't necessarily have to do this. In my case, I have a much bigger grill than the size of the fan because, again, look how big my old fan was. So I wanted to do it so to stop the air coming back around. I don't want to push hot air back in the house. So this is the way I decided to do it. So I have it set up. Now this plugs into a regular 110 outlet. And you can control this using Bluetooth. But for now, there's a test button on here. There you go. It goes on. I can feel it sucking the air through, so it looks like this is going to work out for me pretty well just the way it is. I'm going to set up the Bluetooth so I can control this myself, but that's it. If you're looking for something that you can do yourself that, look, it connects to a regular 110 outlet. If you have power in your attic, then this should be a pretty quick and easy thing for you to do. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, check out some of my other videos. I'd appreciate it. Have a great day.